material shortages, unpredictable supply chains, and increasing customer demands. For door and window manufacturers, these challenges can make production planning feel like an impossible puzzle. Missed deadlines and strained customer relationships don't just hurt your reputation. They cost your business valuable time and money. But what if you could take control? Introducing Paradigm Production Planning, designed specifically for door and window manufacturers. With real-time insights from your Paradigm Omni system, you can plan with precision, match capacity to demand, and ship on time every time. Build trust with customers by committing to realistic ship dates right at the quoting stage. Our tool streamlines your workload with smart scheduling, making the shop floor a more efficient and stress-free environment. Stay a step ahead by integrating sales forecasts. Leverage data to predict demand and refine your production processes. Paradigm Production Planning doesn't just solve your challenges, it positions your business for long-term success, turning unpredictability into opportunity. Take control of your production planning. Schedule a demo today and see how we can help you ship on time, every time.